सर्ववर्धिन्यै नमः दुःखहर्यै नमः वाण्यै नमः जोवत्यै नमः देवत्रै नमः रूपिण्यै नमः नमः क्रियासिद्धियै नमः कोटि सूर्य समप्रभायै नमः पार्वत्यै नमः पादकं यत्संदर्श अला चैजमिच्छन्ति चैदामुनि निवेद्यं पट्टमात्रके निगदितं यत्सानुभूतेत् सुखं सोऽयं न परिपातु नित्यकृपया శ్రీకాళహస్తీశ్వర పూజని తాకి నమస్కారం చేసుకోండి పూజయతోట్టు అస్తు భగవన్ విశ్వేశ్వరాయ మహాదేవాయ త్రయంబకాయ నారికేళ కంఠధ్వని నివేదయామి నివేద్యానం
Madam.
Yes, everyone.
Oh, my name is Katerina Klushin. I live in Switzerland and I'm Vaishnava. I came here with an organized tour to visit Hindu religious important places like Venkateshwara and this place, and organized by Natalia Savich, and we belong to Bhakti Marga organization, and we are very pleased to stay here, to be welcomed by Hindus, by your people. We are so warm welcomed everywhere, and we are so blessed to be in such beautiful places, to visit all goddess, all murtis, and we are treated so well here. Your food is so good and your nature is very beautiful. Thank you.
Hello everybody, my name is Manorama and I'm devotee, I'm a Vaishnava, Bhakti Marga, Paramahamsa Shri Swami Vishwananda, we are his devotee. And we are really extremely impressed how welcome everybody here, how beautiful the temple, how everybody give us the space to see, to get the darshan, to get the darshan of the Lord. How everybody is sweet, kind. You are amazing people and you are so lucky that you live here. You have the chance to see the Lord every day, and we are also very lucky because yesterday we got the darshan of Venkateshwara, Balaji, and today we came to Lord Shiva to pay our obeisances and to say thank you for everything. Thank you very much.